Hi, I'm Paul Pasolka, IB Masters Learning Center at ibmasters.com, and today we're going to look at the 18th question from Digital SAT Test 2, Module 2B. This is from the harder set of math questions. Number 18 reads, a certain park has an area of 11,863,808 square yards. What is the area in square miles of this park? 1 mile equals 1,760 yards. Well, when you've got conversions like this, what you could do is use stoichiometry. And how do you properly set up stoichiometry? Well, if it ever confused you, hopefully this is the last time it will, because now you'll be straight from now on. Since it's asking for square miles has to be on top. Now, we don't have square miles here at all. So what do you got to do? You got to put miles on top twice, because you're going to have to multiply miles and miles. So in other words, 1 mile over 1,760 yards times 1 mile over 1,760 yards times, and now we have square yards, so we've got 11,863,808 yards squared. Okay. And when you set up stoichiometry, there's nothing that's going to be on the bottom for the last thing that you multiply. Now notice what I get here. I've got yards squared at top. So up top you've got miles squared, right? Miles times miles, miles squared. And up top you also have, well, I should say this, it's 11,863,808. Miles times miles is miles squared. Yards times yards squared we have here. So I'm going to put both those units up top just to show you how this all works out. And then down below you have 1760 times 1760. And yards times yards is again yards squared. And we have yards squared up top. The yards squared is cancel. So what are you left with? You're left with miles squared on top. And then you're multiplying 760 by 760 down below. So at this point, you could just throw this into Desmos. It is asking for square miles. I have miles squared down below, so I'm set up correctly. So you could just throw this into Desmos. It's going to be that 11,863,808 up top, and 1760 times 1760 down below. It's going to look like this. Then you get your answer, 3.83. Your answers are in decimal form here. So you mark your answer B, move on. Thank you for joining us today. If you like this video, click like. You could share it with someone who has difficulty with stoichiometry or this little curveball where it throws in squared units. If there's any question you'd like to answer from any official PSAT or SAT or ACT, leave that in the comments. I'd be happy to shoot a video on it. Click subscribe so you don't miss anything. Bang that bell button. And check out our 1-minute video, between 1 and 2 minutes. Go to IB Masters Learning Center on YouTube. Go to the playlist, Test 2 Module 2B, and the shorter videos are just up below these longer videos. So if you want a shorter explanation for a lot of these things, you could check out all our shorter videos on that playlist. Have a great day.